Hello, we are Group 2, and our final product is called Gyropole. The engineers that worked on this project are listed. The U.S. Army uses a camouflage net along with telescoping poles to completely cover their vehicles while in the field, blending them into their environment and making them unrecognizable to aerial threats. This project aims to reduce the complexity of the deployment and takedown procedures to decrease both the time and workload required. This is a list of the requirements given to us from the customer, including a budget listed at the bottom. The group decided to focus on the telescoping poles since they took the most time during the deployment process. We created an integrated pole design which consists of 3 of the current telescoping poles attached to one base using a swivel pivot joint to allow for movement of 2 degrees of freedom. There are also 2 free poles placed in the front and back of the truck to preserve the organic shape and provide extra support. Lastly, we replaced the current stakes with U-shaped stakes, which allows soldiers to secure the tarp by using their foot instead of a hammer. Here's the CAD assembly and exploded view of the base showing how the swivel pivot joint will connect to it and each of the poles. As previously mentioned, this is an example of the U-shaped stakes used to secure the ends of the tarp. This animation shows how the deployment process would now go with the design changes made. These are our 2 prototypes. The top shows our first one, and the bottom shows our second one that was manufactured to show the 2 degrees of freedom of motion within the pole design. That concludes a brief overview of our design solution. Thank you for your time.